Think you know your car inside out? Think again. Beneath that steering wheel lies a world of hidden features and clever tricks that even seasoned drivers overlook. These aren't the usual car tips you've heard 100 times. These are the secrets automakers never told you, the ones that can save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity. By the end of this countdown, you'll see your car in a completely different light. Smarter, safer, and far more capable than you ever imagined. Stay with me till the end, because the deeper we go, the more mind-blowing these secrets become. And hey, if you love car tips like this, hit subscribe right now. Let's get started. Secret number 18, the hidden gas tank locator. Ever pulled into a gas station and realized you have no idea which side your tank is on? You're not alone. It happens to every driver at least once. But your car quietly gave you the answer this whole time. Hey chap, take a look at your fuel gauge. Right next to the little gas pump icon, there's a small arrow or triangle. That arrow points directly to your gas cap. No more awkward U-turns or stretching the hose across your car. It's a tiny detail that saves time, prevents frustration, and keeps you looking like a pro behind the wheel. Secret number 17, road condition indicators. Modern cars are more aware of their surroundings than ever before, and one of the most underrated systems they use is the road condition indicator. It's not just about telling you when a door's open or a light's out. This little icon can actually warn you when roads are icy or unsafe. When temperatures drop near freezing, you might notice a snowflake light appear on your dashboard. That's your car's way of saying, caution. The road could be slick. A sensor near the front bumper detects the cold air and triggers the alert before you even feel it. Simple, subtle, but it could be the warning that saves you from a winter disaster. Secret number 16, the morning fuel hack. There's a quiet trick veteran drivers use to squeeze more value out of every drop of gas. And it all comes down to timing. Fuel expands in heat and becomes denser in the cold. So when you fill up your tank early in the morning or late in the evening, you're technically getting more energy for the same price. The difference might seem small, but over time it adds up, especially for frequent drivers or those filling large tanks. So next time you're heading out early, make the gas station your first stop. Your wallet will thank you. Secret number 15, side mirror. Defrosters. Foggy mornings and frozen mirrors can turn a peaceful drive into a frustrating one, but there's a switch that quietly solves that problem, and most drivers don't even know it exists. On many cars, if you rotate your side mirror adjustment knob all the way down, you'll activate built-in mirror heaters. They melt frost, clear fog, and keep your vision crisp even in harsh weather. It's a small, smart feature that saves you from scraping, wiping, or waiting. One flip and your mirrors take care of themselves. Secret number 14, starting the car with a dead remote. We've all been there. You press your key fob and nothing. Battery's dead. But here's the part most people don't know. Your car can still recognize the key. That's because modern remotes have two systems, one powered, one passive. If your remote battery dies, simply hold the fob near the start button. The passive chip inside the remote draws power directly from your car's reader and lets you start the engine instantly. It's a built-in backup that saves you from panic and towing calls. Secret number 13, tire pressure monitoring system. Your tires are your car's foundation, and low pressure can cost you safety and money. That's why modern cars use a tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. It became mandatory after too many accidents were linked to underinflated tires. When your dashboard shows a small exclamation mark inside a tire symbol, that's not just a warning, it's a lifesaver. Some cars even display the exact PSI for each tire, letting you spot the problem instantly. Correct tire pressure means better grip, smoother handling, and less fuel wasted. So when that light flashes, don't ignore it. It's your car whispering, "Fix me before it costs you." Secret number 12, blind spot. Monitoring. Changing lanes on a crowded highway can turn nerve-wracking in a split second, but blind spot monitoring acts like a second pair of eyes. Tiny sensors or radar units scan the edges of your car, the places your mirrors can't reach. If another vehicle creeps into that danger zone, a small light glows on your mirror. Ignore it and turn your signal on anyway? You'll hear an audible alert, your car shouting, "Stop," before it's too late. It's a feature that doesn't just add convenience, it adds confidence. Secret number 11, Adaptive cruise control. Regular cruise control keeps your speed steady. Adaptive cruise control keeps you safe. It's like having an invisible co-pilot that constantly watches traffic ahead. When you set your speed, sensors begin scanning the road. If a car in front slows down, your vehicle automatically reduces speed to maintain a safe distance. Once the path clears, it accelerates back to your chosen pace, all without you touching a thing. In heavy traffic, it can even stop and start your car for you. It's not just cruise control, it's peace of mind on every long drive. Secret number 10. The check engine light signal. That little orange light on your dashboard, it's one of the most misunderstood warnings in the car world. When it appears, most people panic. But not every check engine light means disaster. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap letting air into the system. Tighten it, and the warning might vanish after a short drive. But if the light stays on, it could mean something deeper. A bad spark plug, a faulty oxygen sensor, or an issue with your catalytic converter. The rule is simple. If your car feels fine, start small. If it feels off, shaking, stalling, or losing power, don't wait. Get the code checked. An OBD2 scanner can tell you exactly what's wrong in seconds. Because when your car speaks in warning lights, it's always for a reason. Secret number 9, motion parallax. Here's a phenomenon that plays tricks on your eyes every single time you drive, even if you don't notice it. It's called motion parallax. Objects close to your car, like trees or streetlights, seem to whip past you at lightning speed, but the mountains far away, they barely move at all. It's the brain's way of perceiving depth and motion. And it's not just visual trivia, it actually helps you gauge distances while driving. That's why the moon looks like it's following you at night. It's so far away, the angle never changes. Next time you're behind the wheel, pay attention to how the world dances around your car. You'll see driving in a whole new, almost cinematic way. Secret number 8, smartphone integration. Your phone isn't just a gadget, it's now your co-pilot. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your dashboard transforms into a smart control hub. Navigation, music, messages, all displayed right where you need them. No more fumbling for your phone or glancing down mid-drive. Just clean, safe, hands-free control with your voice. Need directions? Say it. Want to change the song? Just ask. These systems are designed with one goal: to keep your focus where it belongs, on the road. It's not just convenience, it's safety evolved. Secret number 7, seatbelt safety features. We all know seatbelts save lives, but few people know how they actually do it. Today's seatbelts are engineered masterpieces. Pretensioners tighten instantly the moment a crash begins, pulling you safely into position for the airbag. Force limiters then release a bit of slack to reduce chest pressure during impact. Energy management loops absorb and distribute the force of collision across the strongest parts of your body. Even rear passengers get protection from inflatable belts that soften the blow. And those adjustable anchors, they keep the strap perfectly aligned with your shoulder, not your neck. So next time you click that belt into place, remember it's not just a strap. It's a high-tech guardian working in silence every single drive. Secret number 6, hidden storage compartments. Your car hides more than you think. Manufacturers spend years designing clever compartments that most drivers never find. Some are right under your nose or even under your seat. Take the Dodge Journey. There's a secret pocket beneath the passenger seat and removable floor bins in the back, perfect for valuables or emergency gear. The Land Rover Discovery hides an entire storage space behind its climate control panel. A thief wouldn't even think to look there. These hidden gems are built for convenience, organization, and privacy. Just don't forget what you stash, because once it's hidden well, even you might not find it again. Secret number 5, adjustable headrests. Headrests, the most underestimated safety feature in your car. Most people treat them like cushions, but they're actually your first defense against whiplash. The top of the headrest should align with the top of your head. That's the sweet spot for protection. But here's a life-saving detail. Those metal rods that hold the headrest, they can shatter a car window in an emergency. If you ever get trapped inside, pull the headrest out and strike the corner of the side glass. It breaks instantly. It's a feature hidden in plain sight, designed for safety, but capable of saving your life in more ways than one. Secret number 4, anti-stall technology manual car drivers. This one's for you. Remember that nerve-wracking stall when you lift the clutch too fast? Modern manual cars are quietly eliminating that fear. With built-in anti-stall systems, your car automatically adds throttle when you release the clutch too quickly, balancing the engine just right. It's like your car gives you a tiny push forward, making every takeoff smooth and effortless. It's especially a lifesaver on steep hills, where stalling used to be a nightmare. It's one of those hidden upgrades that makes you look like a pro, even if you're still mastering the clutch. Secret number 3, heads-up display. Imagine your speed, navigation, and alerts floating right in front of you. No need to look down. That's exactly what the heads-up display, or HUD, does. Borrowed from fighter jet technology, this system projects vital driving info directly onto your windshield. It keeps your eyes locked on the road and your focus sharp. Some even show who's calling or what song's playing, all without breaking your concentration. It feels futuristic because it is. And once you get used to it, you'll never want to drive without it. Secret number 2, backseat reminders. This one exists for one reason: to save lives. Backseat reminders were designed to prevent tragic moments when drivers forget a child, pet, or even valuables in the rear seat. When you open a back door before your trip, the car's system quietly remembers. When you park, it alerts you, a chime, a message on your dashboard. Check the back seat. It's simple, powerful, and has already saved countless lives. Safety isn't just about seat belts and airbags, it's about awareness, even after the engine turns off. Secret number 1, the conversation mirror. Here's one most new drivers overlook, yet families swear by it. Above your rearview mirror, there's often a small convex mirror tucked away. The conversation mirror, it lets you keep an eye on the entire back seat without turning around. Whether it's checking on your kids, pets, or passengers, it keeps you connected without losing focus on the road. And in some cars, like the Honda Odyssey, this feature has evolved into Cabin Watch, and you can keep with a live video feed of your back seats, right on your dashboard, even in the dark. It's a brilliant touch of design. It's keeping you safe, aware, and in control. Now you know. 18 hidden car secrets that turn everyday driving into something extraordinary. From safety features that think for you, to design hacks buried in plain sight, your car is smarter than you ever imagined. So the next time you start your engine, remember, you're not just driving a machine. You're piloting a masterpiece of hidden genius. Drive smarter, drive safer, and as always, hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started.